Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is The Supply Junkie and my name is Heather. And this video I am going to do, let's see, the week of the 6th. I believe it's the 6th. I should have looked before. So yes, the week of the 6th to the 12th. And I made this kit, I believe off of the Hunger JPEG. It was Winter Fun or something like that, but I made this kit for this week. And I am going to probably speed up the video as I'm doing this because I'm doing a load of laundry and it's going to go into the spin cycle soon and I don't want you guys to have to listen to that. So when I'm done, I'll be back. Let's see, I don't have a ton going on this week. It's a little less crazy. My husband left for work, so I just really have my nail appointment and grocery shopping, just basic stuff like that. But the kids went back to school today, so we're getting back to our regular scheduled programming. A little bit far over. I like this kit. It's pastel-y, not too crazy over the top winter, but I think the pastel helps me feel like maybe it's a little bit more springy. It's been cold this winter. The other night we actually had thunder and lightning storm during a snowstorm. So that was it was actually really neat to watch, but it was different. I'd have to say that was probably a first for me. I don't remember even growing up seeing like something like that before. But I got woke up because I heard thunder and I'm like, I must be dreaming. And I started falling back to sleep. It was about 1:30 in the morning and started falling back to sleep and I heard it again. So I kind of got up, went to go get a drink of water and I saw lightning out the kitchen window. So I went outside to kind of see what was going on. It was snowing and thundering and lightning. I almost put that on upside down. And then when the washer goes to the next cycle, I will speed up the video so that you guys don't have to suffer through and listen to that. Maybe it won't during this video, but and I should learn to put these on straight for you guys, but I am not that talented. I almost put the wrong color down. I've been fighting a cold. It seems like a lot of people are fighting the same cold. But man, I am just ready for it. It's exhausting. I'm just ready for it to go away. And I did send the camera back that I got for Christmas. So I believe once they get my return, then they send out a new one. I'm assuming that's how it works. So I'm not quite sure how long that's going to take, but I was pretty bummed out. Got a new camera, so excited to use it, and then just took a crud. And then my son this week starts his building for his robotics. And he has to go 3 days a week, but I'm not sure just yet what 3 days he's going. So he's going to check with some friends and find out what day that they're going. And then I will add that in later. They got a build competition coming up, so. I reworked these kits just a little bit. The more I'm kind of figuring out what I want to do this year, the more I'm kind of figuring out what I need, what I can take out. But this worked good last week to kind of make a list, so I'm going to keep that in this week. When my daughter gets off work today, we're going to go to the gym. And I also have to get some grocery shopping done because I kind of procrastinated with this bug that I've got. So I've got to do adulting in between planning videos today. Okay, there we go. And then let's see, Wednesday, I have my nail appointment. That is at noon. Today is payday. So I'm just gonna put this up here to mark that down. Then with the new job, our paydays will change next week. Let's see. Leland has robotics, but I don't know what day. I got up at 6 today. I like to kind of mark down my sleep. I'd say it was about 6:30, about 6:20. And then on the bottom here, I like to track my meals. I was tracking my blood pressure and everything at the top of last week up here, but I'm thinking that just regularly just writing it in would work fine. So I think I'm just going to write it in and do it that way this week. Takes up a little bit of room, and I do get up earlier, so kind of need that upper part. I put these on the bottom because if I am up until 1 a.m., then I'm having problems the next day, that's for sure. Not that it never happens. Sometimes it happens, but just have those nights where no matter what you do, you just can't fall asleep. And I fill this in daily as I go. And then my water trackers I will put above that. That is a little crooked. Maybe if I had to use my tweezers with this one. There we go. We had a nice Christmas break. It wasn't super eventful. We just kind of hung out as a family and But it is nice to kind of get the kids back to schedule and get back on track. I function better when I'm kind of keep myself scheduled of what I'm doing. Definitely watched several series on Netflix and Hulu over Christmas break. It was cold and windy outside, and we just all stayed inside as family, and in the evenings we'd eat dinner and watch TV. I did realize last week, so I think I get plenty of water. Didn't get as much water as I thought I was, so gonna have to do better about that this week. Definitely with getting back to the gym, and I probably could have made these bigger, but I changed the font. So they're a little smaller than last week, but it'll be okay. Yeah, I did that right. Okay, and then get my little book out, my books out here. Let's see. I have my nails. I thought I had my nails in there. Yep, I do. Let's put that there. And then let's see. Got to the grocery store today. Probably, let's see, go after the gym. My daughter gets off at noon. So let's see, I think I'll block out. No, I don't, I think I'll block out till 2 for the gym because she needs to come home and get changed, and then we'll go. And then after that gym, I will go to the grocery store. And then of course, this morning, I am filming. So I'm gonna film until about 10 and then get ready for the day. And then when I get back later tonight, I will film, I think, my weeks. I should be able to get my A6 done before I go. Okay, we will put film there. I'm trying to think. I will start dinner today. I'm going to start dinner about 5. Get dinner done, and then I can film this evening. Make sure homework's done, all that stuff before I film. So, let's see. I have... going to put workout here. And then, let's see, I have groceries. And I have to go, I haven't decided. I think I'm going to use the blue, but this goes really good. So I think I might use this Pearly G2 pink one in my wigs. Haven't decided yet. So I have to go to Costco. I need to go to Winco. I'm going to put dinner here. And my son has been helping with cooking. He's doing so good, but he carved the chicken last night and it was hilarious. He murdered it. I was trying not to laugh because he tried so hard and did an amazing job roasting the chicken, but he just murdered it when he carved it. It was hilarious. So I'm gonna do A5, A6, and then I will do my wigs after dinner. And normally I would do it first because it has, I'm gonna put in a little bit of extra time here too to do some editing, but I would have it done already with my budget, but I wrote it down on paper because I was gonna film yesterday, but the day before when I tried to make these kits, my internet and the weather were just not getting along, so I wasn't able to download the images to make my kit, so. I'll do my Hobonichi wigs. And I think for right now, that's all I have to put in here. So I will be back next with the daily layout in the A5. And until then, you guys have a good day. Bye.